Hello students, welcome to today's lecture of plus 2 NCERT Mathematics. I am going to discuss about relation and function, introduction to exercise 1.2. In the introduction part, basically second exercise depends upon function. हम function की बात करेंगे कि what is the meaning of function. First step is to write the definition. Suppose I am writing f from x to y is defined to be 1 1. This one is basically the first part of the function 1 1, or you can say injective function. 1 1 and injective is one and the same thing. If the images of distinct elements, now what is the meaning of distinct? अगर मैं distinct की बात करूं, distinct means all the elements are different. Distinct. If the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct, अब अगर मैं इसको डायग्रामेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करूं 1 1 फंक्शन को, तो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? सपोज मैंने यहां पे एक सेट ले लिया और यहां पे एक सेट ले लिया, डिफरेंट टू सेट्स आर देयर. यहां पे मैंने मेंशन कर दिया 1 2 3 और यहां पे मेंशन कर दिया 5 7 9 11 23 25 29. सम एलिमेंट्स आर देयर inside second set, and this one is set x and this one is set y. X in relation with y basically. Whenever I put 1 inside the function, suppose I am getting a value as 5. When I insert 2, suppose I am getting the value as 9. If I am entering 3, suppose I am getting the value as 23. Suppose this one is one function, that is f from x to y. Now, for each element in x, I can write here, for each element in x, there is unique, or you can say distinct element in y. And what about x and y? X and y are sets, set x and set y. There may be some extra elements in y. There may be some extra elements in y. Now this one is known as 1 1 function. Suppose the function is not 1 1. If I am talking about the function like this, suppose the elements are 1 2 3. Here the elements are 5 7 9 8, like this. Suppose I am inserting 1, answer is 5. I am inserting 2, answer is again 5. Suppose this one is the content. If I am entering 3, answer is equal to 8. Now, for 2 questions, there is one answer. For 1, answer is equal to 5. For 2, answer is equal to 5. This function is known as many one. Means many to 1 is there. This one is x and this one is y. Now, what about the second category? Second category is onto. Onto is also known as surjective. If I am talking about definition, a function f from x to y is said to be onto or you can say surjective if every element of y is image of some element in x. If I am talking about this content, suppose this one is set x and this one is set y. Suppose there are two elements. There are some elements like this. 5 is in relation with 1 and 7 is in relation with 2. Means for each element, कोई भी element आप उठा लो y का, उसका कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन होगा x में से. There may be some extra element in x. x में extra element हो सकते हैं. यहां पे कोई भी एलिमेंट पेंडिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. इसको हम बोलते हैं onto. This one is onto और you can say surjective और आप surjective कह सकते हो इसको. और जो थर्ड कैटेगरी है वो क्या है? थर्ड वन इज 1-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस. अब अगर मैं 1-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस की बात करूं, दिस वन इज बोथ 1-1 एंड onto. दोनों कंडीशन अगर ये सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है फंक्शन, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं 1-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस. एंड दिस वन इज आल्सो नोन एज बाइजेक्टिव. अब एग्जामिनेशन में हम ये पूछ सकते हैं कि 1-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस इसको प्रूव करो कि वेदर इट इज 1-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस और नॉट. और सेकंड कैटेगरी ये भी हो सकती है कि आप प्रूव करो कि ये बाइजेक्टिव है या नहीं. अब इसकी अगर एग्जांपल लिखें तो यहां पे कोई भी एलिमेंट एक्स्ट्रा नहीं होगा, ना x में ना y में. यहां पे मैंने लिख दिया 1 2 3, यहां पे लिख दिया 5 6 7. मींस यहां पे भी वन एलिमेंट, यहां पे भी वन एलिमेंट और यहां पे भी कॉम्बिनेशन ऐसे ही होगा. मींस डबल का भी कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं होगा, फंक्शन मैनी वन नहीं होगा और ऑन टू की प्लेस पे इन टू भी नहीं होगा. मींस इट्स बोथ 1-1 एंड ऑन टू. ईच एलिमेंट इन x have the unique answer in y and each element of y is in connection with at least some element or exactly some one element inside x. It's exactly one element, not two elements, and this one is known as 1-1 correspondence. Hope you understand about the basic contents of 1-1. First one is 1-1, second one is onto, and third one is 1-1 correspondence. In the next video, I will discuss about exercise 1.2. I will start with the topics of 1.2. Thanks for watching my video.